Now here the story. It is the Muhammad going to invest 96,000 in two company A and company B, but they don't give investment amount. But there are some details in this question. I will tell briefly. Company A pay 18 per share and dividends is 2 rupees per share. Company B pay 21 per share. The dividends income is 3.50 cent. That means 3 rupees 50 cent. Now you can see here, at the end of the year he received 1000 more as annual dividends income from company B. That is the amount he received from company. Then the amount he received from the company A. By taking amount Mr. Muhammad invest company A as X, construct and the equation. Now we use this data and we can construct the equations. I think you remember, we take X as investment amount of company A. If you X invested, what is the number of shares? So how do you find the number of the shares? You divide X by, here see, you divide X by what? Value per share. Then you can find out how many shares are there. As example, if you invest the money is 1000 divided by per share 10, 1000 by 10, 100 shares you can earn. Like that, here also same thing happen. Now you can see here this is the number of shares. So number of the shares, if you multiply by dividends per share, you can get the total dividends income. This one is the total dividends income. So next one, annual dividends income of the company B. What is the invested amount? If you invested X in company A, 96,000 minus X is the investment money of the company B. Then this investment amount, if you divide by 21 and multiply by, this is the value for what? Per share. This is the dividends value per share, company B. Then you can calculate here the sum. This value is 960,000 minus X divided by 6 is dividends income from company B. Now here you can see the dividends income in company A is X by 9. Dividends income of company B is 96,000 minus X divided by 6. Now if you get the difference of these two, it is equal 1000. This is the required equation. Now check the second question. Second one is find the amount he invested in the company by solving above equation. So you have to solve this equation. It is general method, simple equation. So you can multiply, find the common denominator of 6 and 9. It is 18. Multiply all the terms by 18. You get this value. Then you can cut this 6 to 18. It's 3. 3 into 96,000 minus X minus, if you cancel out 18 by 9, it's 2x equal 18,000. Then if you remove the brackets in here, you can get these values. Then solve this to 5x, then bring other side, it is plus 5x. If you bring this 18,000 in other side, it is final answer 5x equal 270,000. Then if you want to find the x, divide right side by x equal 54,000. So amount invested in the company A is 54,000. Amount invested in the company B, 96,000 minus 54,000, it is 42,000. We will check the last third question. Find the number of the shares he had in each company. So you want to find the number of the shares. So how do you find the number of the shares? Here it is very easy calculation. 54,000 divided by 18. This is the investment value. This is a value per share. So how many shares can be built? 54,000. It is 3 20,000. This is the number of shares. Company B also same. This is the investment amount. This is the value per share. It is 20,000. Then we will check the fourth one. Find the annual dividends income received from each company. So you want to find the annual income dividends each company. So per share 2, how many shares are there? You already calculated here. 3,000. 3,000 into 2, it is 6,000. Company B, 3.50 rupees. It is 2,000 into 3.5. It is 7,000. This is the dividends income each company. So next questions, find the total amount he made selling his shares in both company. Now in this case they told that finally both company shares he sold per share 20 rupees. This is the selling price per share. So what is the amount he received by selling this share? So shall we check that one? Here amount received by the selling shares company A. So you can see 3,000 company A, number of shares in here. This is the selling price 60,000. Amount received by the selling shares company B, it is 40,000. So total amount received selling shares both companies 60,000 plus 40,000. This is the total income selling shares. The annual dividends income received from both companies, you know, company A 6,000, company B 7,000. The total dividends income is 13,000. You know, here the some selling values. This is the dividends value. So total income you can see here 113,000. 100,000 13. So you can see here 1 lakh and 100,000 plus 13, then 113,000. So the last question. So the Mr. Muhammad expectations of the making a profit 20 rupees on his original investment through these dividends income, and the capital gain was not fulfilled. Now the last questions they are asking, you have to show he expect 20% through this investment. He is going to expect 20% of his original investment, but you have to show that it can be possible. Now what is his investment? 96,000. What is his profit? You know, the total income is 113,000. 96,000, if you subtract this 70,000, then you get the percentage of this one. This is the investment amount, this is his profit, and out of this if you calculate the percentage of this one, multiply by 100, then you can get 17.7%. then it is less than 20%. Mr. Muhammad's expectations were not fulfilled. He cannot fulfill his expectation.